Hi, welcome to 5.2. So for these notes, we will go more deeper on HTML lists. So first, these are the example for unordered lists and ordered lists, as I mentioned from the previous notes. So unordered lists will display in dotted icon, and ordered lists it will display in numbers. Alright. And for the ordered list, the way how the numbers is displayed depends on the types. So this type you can specify, okay, you can specify at the UL, at the OL, alright, sorry, excuse me, at the OL, and then you can specify the type. If you choose one, it will display numbers by default, and if you put A, capital letter of A, so it will display by alphabetically in capital letter. If you put a lowercase, so it will be in lowercase letter. Okay, and then if you put in I, it will be in uppercase Roman numbers. Small letter of I will be lowercase Roman numbers. Okay, and also we have a nested list. So this nested list is how we can have the list in nested form. For example, here we have the coffee tea, black tea, green tea, and milk. So we have two types of tea here, black and green. So in order for you to have this nested list for the unordered list, so you must have the UL, LI, LN, UL within the bigger outside LI. Okay, so here we have T and I, then we have another list UL. Okay, so you can do all of these again and again, become more complex and nested in for the nested list, right? Okay, then these are how the list normally being used. We normally use the list with CSS file, or we implement with the styles. So when we implement with the style, you can see now, you can see, right? So the list is displayed within a blocks. Okay, within the blocks. So how you can apply with CSS? Just follow your CSS class. So for you to understand about the CSS, it will be covered on the last sections. Okay, so for example, you have the unordered list, so UL class list groups. Okay, these are the most common lists being used nowadays. Okay, another thing is the navigation menu. So the navigation menu is also by using the same as this, but the way how they define the classes is different. Okay. But the coordinations, the position between the UL and I are just the same. Okay, so we can see how the implementation of the list from the basic ordinary common list to how it display on your browser until to the style, and it also can be extended to this navigation. So this navigation, you can click home, you can click news, contacts, and about, and then after you click, you go to the next page and so on. Okay, so I think that's all for 5.2. Right, so still we meet again for the hands-on session. Thank you.